Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, we're going to be talking about Xpeng. We're going to go over what it did today, why does it keep falling below all these levels, and what's the outlook on Xpeng overall. Now, before we get into this video, I'd like to remind you that I do have a free Discord server, link in the description below. Go ahead and join it. We're super active. We have 400 members now. We talk during market open, after market open, and if you need help, hop in here and I'll be more than happy to help you. And I do also offer a private membership. If you want to hop in the free Discord, you can check out this channel right here. Look at the private membership program, and I go live with this group every single night. They call out stocks they want me to break down, and then also we have a private chat, and they also get to see what type of plays I take. Now, without further ado, let's get right into the video and let's break down Xpeng. Now, Xpeng, it was down $1.76 today, so 4%. Now, NEO was down today as well, so it wasn't much of a surprise that Xpeng fell today. But the difference between NEO and Xpeng, NEO is a lot stronger. It's on a support level. Xpeng, it broke below a support level. So that's why Xpeng downtrend today was a lot more alarming than NEO's. NEO's just looked like a cool off from yesterday's action. We pushed up massively on NEO yesterday, so it looks like a cool off from today. With Xpeng, it doesn't. It looks like rejection, and we're continuing to fall. Now, the first level I was looking at right here was at 43.70. Around that area, I talked about my last night's Xpeng video that if there was any hope on Xpeng for the short term, we needed to hold above this level and stay above it. Now, this morning, we had a lot of trouble. We tried to push up, but then sellers came in and we instantly got rejected. Now, this was a strong level because buyers came in here multiple times. Look how many times buyers came in at this level. They picked the price up and we continued, we stayed above this level. But now we're below it, and that's why I was saying that we needed to stay above it, because this was such a strong level, and I really didn't want Xpeng getting below this level. Well, it happened, it played out, and what we can do from here is look at the next level that it may be going to. So let's say tomorrow is red again. Where are we heading to? I think we're heading to 40.29, and if we head down to that level, we need to stay at that level. So if we downtrend tomorrow, we don't need to get underneath it. If we get underneath it, then it's going to be really bad for Xpeng, and we may end up somewhere in this area right here, mid-30s. But if we stay above 40.29, we will be fine, but we really need to get this bullish momentum going on Xpeng. Now, keep in mind, though, we do have an event that's happening tonight. It's the election, so it will have some type of reaction tomorrow on EVs. So this is just facts. If the Democrats win, then they're more towards clean energy. They're more towards electric vehicles, so we should see a pop on this. If not, then we may see it fall tomorrow. So keep that in mind as well. If the Democrats pick up the 2 Georgia Senate seats, then we may see a pop up tomorrow, because that means they'll have control of the Senate. So they favor clean energy, so that'll see a pop up on this. Now, news aside, just speaking from technicals, because that's what I trade. I do technicals first, news later. A lot of people, they always want to find a reason for why a stock falls down. They want to look for that news, but let me tell you, 99% of the time, before you even get to that news, the stock has already reacted to it. You see it way after when it first got released, trust me. So that's why I just tend to stick with these levels, and the levels are telling me that if we fall down to 40.29, that's a strong support. Look how many times we hovered over it before, even over here at this level. See how many times we stayed at this level, and over here as well, it acts as a support. So we know that if we fall down to this level, then that we are going to have buyers, and if not, then we're obviously going to be falling down. And the next strong support I have is at 35.93. Last time we got underneath this level a couple weeks ago, we didn't hold underneath it. We eventually got above it, and we were looking strong. But on Monday, we got rejected right here at my resistance line. We got rejected right here at 48.06. Notice how sellers came in. We pushed down. We've been just aggressively selling off. So if you're bullish on Xpeng tomorrow, we definitely need to get above 43.70. We need to get above that and hold above it. If not, it's just going to look like this. We may push up and get rejected and then come back down to this level. If you're bullish, you obviously want to get above, test it, and then go back up to resistance. That's the bullish case scenario on Xpeng. Now, I know if you're in it as an investor, it's been a very hard roller coaster. You've just been riding it all the way down. You get these glimpses of hopes. Hey, we're coming back. Then it just smashes you again. Hey, we're coming back. Bam, smashes you again. That's why it's important that you always have a plan with these stocks and that you chart out these levels. Now, a lot of people have been asking me, hey, is this going to return back to $50? If it does, then it's going to have to follow these levels one step at a time. It won't return to $50 until we get above these levels, right? So the first level, obviously, is 43.70. The next 48.06. And then we can start talking about getting it back into this range right here and then heading back to all-time highs. But until we get past these two levels, what we're at right now, we're not heading up to $50, $55, $60. No, we got to get above this one step at a time, and then we take it from there. That's why I post these daily videos, to help you out, to break it down each day, to let me know and let you know where it's going. Either way, guys, I hope this video helps you. This is what I'm looking at tomorrow, but be very careful tomorrow. It's going to be a very volatile day. We have the election, so yes, I do expect some volatility tomorrow, so be careful out there. Things are going to move around a lot. They are. That's just facts, because we have this election coming up, or the results are coming in. Maybe tonight, tomorrow at the latest. Either way, guys, stay safe out there. Be careful with your trades. Keep an eye on them, and just watch them. Take a look at these levels. 40.29, strong support. Keep that in mind tomorrow. Either way, thank you for watching my video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you did enjoy it. I appreciate you being here, and I will see you all in the next video.